Christmas tutorial. We are going to do Silent Night today, and let's get straight into it with the tune. And there we have it. Okay, so first phrase, starting on A. Okay, we're going to blow nice and soft on those lower octave notes, and we play that phrase twice. Now we're going to go up to high E. I like to slide off the note below the D note. So if you use your D finger, we're going to go into your higher octave. So we are going to blow a little bit stronger for your high E, but we are also going to slide off that D note. So I will demonstrate. Okay, so that's two E's, and we're going to slide off our D note just to make that a little bit softer, so it's not, which is quite jarring to the ear or very forceful. We want to soften that up just by sliding the D note. Fingers slide over the hole and off to the E. And then high D. Great, let's keep going. On to the B note. You may notice I also slid off that A up to the B. So anytime we're starting these new phrases, not all of the time, but most of the time, I would slide off the note below it just to soften the transition between each of the phrases. So we're starting on a B, but I'm going to slide off the A. And then we're on to A, B, A. And the same phrase again repeats. Perfect. We're going up to high E here. These are our higher notes in the higher octave. Same thing, I'm going to slide off the high D. E, E, G, and stronger for the high G. High G, E, D. As well, I'm not a singer. High E, 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 high G, E, D. You can also do a little bit of vibrato on that F note if you want. Okay, so we're just lightly shaking. We're not going near the hole, but we are vibrating just over, or shaking our finger just over the hole, away from it. And that is just going to bend the airway and the flow of air going in or coming out, whichever one. And that just causes that lovely vibrato effect. I will play it for you now. So E. And then high D. And then your ending phrase starts in high D. I like to cut the two E's at the very end. E cut D. And there you have it. We have played the whole tune of Silent Night. Let's play it together.